talk about future jobs. 6 jobs you'll be recreating for in 2030. Our first job is organ creator. Organ creators will create organs and body parts including they are not even existing yet, from stem cells and other materials. For example, when you lose your kidney, you won't need somebody's kidney because organ creators will create it for you. Organ creators will have a background in molecular biology, tissue engineering, and biomedical engineering. Earthquake forecaster. Earthquake forecaster has been a future job for a few 40 years, but other jobs are like really least years. Why this job is this much important? Because earthquake forecasters will dedicate the earthquake before it happens in a place and warn people who live in that place, so there won't be an injury or death because of an earthquake. Our third job is makeshift structure engineer. The days of using 3D printings for the little things like keychains has been replaced by the technology of using 3D printings like the things prosthetic hands. But in the future, makeshift 3D printings will be able to print things like the parts that needed to create a small house units. It's in background, it has industrial design, structural and structural engineering. Reminder. I think this will be the savior of our world in the future because rewinders are radical transformers who are turning ruins into a green belt. This is too important. Self-driving car mechanics. As we can understand from the name, there will be self-driving cars in the future. And they can drive itself, but it can fix itself. So these mechanics are who will care for them. Trash engineer. According to United States, humans produce over 2 billion tons of garbage every year. So we are running out of the place that we keep our trash in. But we find a solution for it too. Trash engineers will be coming with clever methods with recycled trash in a real large belt and manufacturers from everything to toys, to clothes, to furniture. In another name, its name is garbage designer. Thank you for listening and paying attention to me. Thank you.